guy, take the old item. So here's the old item, and I just want to unscramble him. X plus 3, this is the easiest of them all here, everybody. How you get this guy is he just tells you how many of them. The X one tells you how many of them. Okay, so I got the beginning guy, so some sort of capital A over him. Let's do these other ones, okay? I guess I'm gonna have to throw this out. Okay, and then remember the X one tells you how many of them. So come on over here. Let's give this guy, and then keep on increasing the X. Oh, so you get to the very end. Okay, that is who that is. Okay, remember how we did this earlier? Don't do like the author. I take the upper item is equal to the extra items. I take A, and who are the extra items? I compare this guy with this other one, who are the extras. Comparing him with him, those are the extras. Put that after A. That's what the extras are. Now do the other ones. Okay, I compare that guy with that guy, who are the extra items. So comparing this guy with this guy, here is an extra. Let's put that in there. And we have an extra one of those others. Put those in here. This is not part of it. I'm just going to throw everything out of there, okay? Okay? And then I just got to get the very end guy. So this very ending, who are the extras? I compare that guy with that guy, that's the extra. So that should be where we all end up at. Now I come on over and I plug in some nice easy X's. What I'm trying to do is get these guys out of here. So here's a nice easy X. Here's a nice easy X. Then any other X, here's a really easy X. Take all those X's, plug all those X's in, what do we end up with? So let's see, let's just put equals everywhere. Let's get what's on the other end of it. I just take this X here and I put it in here, multiply, add on, that's him. I take this X here and I put it in here, multiply, add it on, that's him. Take X here, put it in here, that's him. Now I do the other end of it. I take this X and put it in here, right? This X in here is going to he's nicely out of here. Put a 2 in here, he's out of here. Put a 2 into that very ending item, and here's where you would end up at. I divide them over, and now have our beginning answer. Now I do the other ones. Okay, here's the other guys. I take this X here and just put the item in there. Put the minus 3 in here, it's where you would end up at. I put minus 3 in there. He's nicely out of there. Minus 3 in here, he's out of there. Minus 3 in that guy. Here's a place to blow it. But do you see who that is? Minus 3, do we all agree he is a plus? Okay, put minus 3 in there. Anything to an even power is a plus. I divide it over, so here's A. Okay, that's equal to, I'll try that again. A is equal to him. Okay, now I just got to get the very ending. Now, before I come up, I'm just going to plug these items in here, okay? He's over, that guy's over, and this guy's over with. So let's put these guys up there. Look at what those are. And then I will put them up here also. So this A is now nice and over. That's him. I don't know who that one is. And this guy's over too. Now we're very much at the very end of here. Now I take the other X and just plug it on in, okay? This section here is good. That's where you end up at. 0 in here. Here, I'm going to put the extra guy up here, okay? But that's where you would end up at. 0 into these others. Okay, put those guys in there. Here's where you would end up at, okay? And 0 into that very ending item. And this is where you would end up at. Now I just got to clean that up, okay? Now let's come back over here, okay? So when you clean that up, you know, it's kind of ugly, but if you clean it up, what do we end up with? Okay, so that's on that end of it. He's a positive item, right? This is positive. That guy times that guy. Multiply that item out. Okay, here's where we hopefully are. That's all it is, okay? And that guy times that guy times that guy. That's equal to him. Clean up a little bit. And that guy times that guy. Okay, now we're starting to get to the very end of it here. That's who that is. Okay? Take those items over. So now it's just a whole bunch of elementary algebra. He's coming over, make that there a plus. He's coming over, just make them opposites. That's all it is. That's what that is. Common denominator. That's him. That stays as it is. That's probably equal to him. And equal to him. Okay? And I should put this all together. That's equal to that. Okay, I divide him over, clean up the algebra, and hopefully that's where we would end up at. That's an equals. Okay, so he's over. That's who that guy is. Put this guy, now we almost have our answer. Now I come on over and get the very ending answer. It's all decimal algebra, that whole glob, that's who it is. Put the item in here, so put the item in. Okay, so put the item in here, so it's the integral of that whole item. So he's the ln, so that's an ln item, and he's an ln, that's an ln item, but he is an ln. So how I would get that variant guy, here's who it is. Okay, now I got the integral of it. He's nothing but an ln, but that guy is, so the ln absolute value, okay, he's ln also. The ln absolute value of the other guy. But do you agree with the other guy, he's not an ln, you're going to be increasing the exponent, divided by the exponent, and that's where you would end up at. Whole glob here. And that seems like that's a blunder. I don't remember it coming out like that. Did I screw that one up? No, I think